everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back, and I hope you checked out my other videos. If not, go check them out. Today I'm going to be doing my haul from Ulta, and I kind of did it the other day, which was Saturday and the 24th. So it was kind of still during Black Friday, so I guess it was kind of Black Friday haul, if you can say. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig right in and check out my goodies. These are kind of going towards Christmas gifts and then some for me. So yeah. First I'm gonna pull out is this, which I got 2 of them. I really wanted to check it out. It's the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. It's supposed to dry your hair and style it at the same time, I'm guessing. They had a round brush one, but I didn't get it. I should have grabbed it since I got 2 of these. But I got one for me, and I think I may give one to my mom. It looks like this. This is what the back looks like. So yeah, I haven't tried it out yet. It's tangling free drying in half the time, so I'm gonna test it out and let me know if you want me to do a review on how it works out. The next thing I got is for a gift. This actually has a price on it. It's $9.99. And it is a hair care hero. It has a hot sexy hair. I think it's a heat protectant. It has AG hair care fast food. Pravana intense therapy treat, a chi iron guard, joypoi K-Pack color treat, Redken control addict 28 hairspray, a bio air dry, and then a moisturized CC cream. It looks like this. I'll show you. So I thought that was pretty neat. Next thing I got, which was neat, that they finally started selling this stuff in there. It's a MAC, and it has MAC Prep and Prime, a MAC lipstick, which I'm not sure what shade it has, and then I think it's a MAC mascara. It's a MAC red. It looks like from the back of the box. It's a glare. You can see. And then on the back, this is the 3 things. This, I'm not quite sure how much it was. I don't remember. I don't know where my receipt at. And then I got a miniature Prep and Prime. This was, I think, 12. Then I got a Cover Fix Perfect Setting Powder. I believe this was 12 as well. I got an Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion anti-aging, and I believe I got 2 of these, matter of fact. Yeah, I got 2 of them. I think these were like, oops, the box was kind of slipped. I want to say they were like 28, I'm not positive. Then I got the NARS lipstick duo kit, and it has color Rose Cliff and Dolce Vita. Show you what those look like. Oops, that wasn't supposed to happen. Oh, that is a lipstick. It's kind of tiny. There's that one. And then there's that one. It's not too much of a difference. I'm not sure if I'm gonna really like those. They looked prettier on the box. The shades on the outside, as you can see, than they actually do. Then I got a whole, I got more than this. Yeah, maybe that's all I got. Then I got Urban Decay Vice lipstick. This one is in Violet. I love the packaging. Let's see, that's what it looks like. I don't remember how much the lipsticks were, and this one is in Rapture. And this one is in F-Bomb. That's it. Then these I'm most excited for, which they finally started selling in our store. 6, 7, I got 7. I thought I got 8. So I may do a review just on these things. Should I show them now? Yes, I would have gone and show them. But I'll do a video on just these alone, and I may do swatches of them and just talk about them and like say how I like them. I did swatches in the store before I got them, but just to show y'all and let y'all know what I think of them. But they are the Kylie lip collection kits, or lip kits. This one is I got the Mary Jo K. I got this one is Coco K. And I got the Dolce K. I got the Head Over Heels and Exposed. They look kind of just like how the box looks, the top looks, exactly how they pretty much look. When I swatched them, they look just like it. And Candy K. And Poise K. A lot of them K's. A lot of K's. They like K's. I guess because they are K's. But yes, these are all 7 of them. They had one more that I really wanted. I forgot what it was. Something I think PGK or something like that. But they were sold out of it, and so I couldn't get it. But like I said, I'm gonna do a review and a video just on these alone. So that's why I'm not gonna show individually, taking them out of the package just now. But I'll do its own video next on these. So that is all for my haul. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let me know if there's if y'all want me to do a video on the Revlon hair dryer, which I probably will go ahead and do one, but just let me know down in the comments if you would like to know how it works, and if you want to see a video with me using it and everything, and I'll be happy to do that. So thank you again for coming and tuning in, and like and subscribe and check out my other videos, and stay tuned for my next ones. Bye loves.